So how do you make money on YouTube? The most straightforward way is directly through YouTube by monetizing your videos and receiving a cut of the AdSense revenue. The amount you earn per view varies wildly depending on the topic of the video, the geography of the people watching the video, and the number of ads you put on it. For example, a video about online bachelor degrees will earn way more than a video about pranks because the types of ads shown on those videos will have different rates paid by the advertisers. This doesn't necessarily mean you should choose your video topic based on what pays more, since a lot of the higher paying topics have such a small audience that you probably won't get enough views to actually earn that much. Second, the geography of the viewers matters. You'll get paid more by having viewers in the United States compared to India or Nepal. And third, if your video is more than 10 minutes long, you can place more than one mid-roll ad in the video, which could potentially get you double the revenue for that one video. So that's something to keep in mind. YouTube's AdSense earnings, though, are really small. Realistically, you'll have to get millions of views from your videos to be able to live off of these earnings alone. A lot of smaller channels are able to make a good living on YouTube by leveraging sponsorships and brand deals. This basically means using a custom ad directly in your video created in collaboration with the brand for a set amount of money or a predefined rate per views, or both. The creator is then paid directly by the sponsoring company. You can find brand deals with websites like FameBit or by having a brand deal manager looking for brands for you in exchange for a cut of the deal, or by working with the brand directly, either by you contacting them or them approaching you. Patreon is another good option if you have a loyal fan base. It allows your fans to pledge money either once a month or every time you release a new video in exchange for rewards that you decide on. It's important to choose rewards that don't take a lot of your time, since they might distract you from your actual content and create too much busy work. Some good options include giving access to rough cuts or animatics, since you'll be making those anyway. I personally haven't found a huge amount of success with Patreon, but every channel is different and what doesn't work for me may work very well for you. YouTube also has its own monthly paid membership program that you can opt into if you have over 30,000 subscribers. This program functions similarly to Patreon. The last option is selling merchandise or products. I'm still a beginner when it comes to merch. The extent of my merch experience is a few t-shirts that I designed myself and posted on a few print-on-demand t-shirt websites that give you a cut of the profits. What I've learned is that most of these websites don't give you the emails of the people that already bought from you, so you can't retarget past customers. You can earn a lot more if you're able to send emails to all the people who previously bought from you, so you can promote sales and limited time offers as frequently as you want. YouTube has a built-in system for selling merchandise, but as of the recording of this video, it's rather limited and only works with Teespring. For any other products you'd like to promote, your best bet is links in the description as well as mentioning it in your video.